What's up, Instagram? Eventually on YouTube. All right. Your boy Domino 7 is here. All right. So so I'm good so far. Better than last night or this morning or whatever. Well, I woke up okay, but I'm kind of confused about this morning. Okay, watching NBA 2K23. All right, y'all. So I had a dream about Tanya last night. So if you're watching this on YouTube on my channels, then y'all already know. Okay, and this is going on a Domino 866 gameplay channel and 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 a Domino 7 vlog channel. Not on a Domino 7 show channel. Okay, all right. Yep. How about that, y'all? How about that? You know. Mm-hmm. Yeah. You know, I'm kind of laughing right now what I'm about to say. You know what, y'all? I want to tell y'all something. I didn't know my snot nose. I haven't called him that in a long time since we was teenagers. I don't know. I didn't know my snot nose because you to have a YouTube channel. Oh my God, Rick, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. Oh, blow pop head self. Yes, indeed, man. Oh man, I'm sorry, man, but Snot knows you didn't tell me yet you had a YouTube channel until you commented on my episode. What ill, you know? Yeah, Bone Thugs, Wishbone Lazy, Crazy Wish. I used to call my cousin Ricky Snot Nose. We was teething. Oh my God. I'm glad y'all enjoyed this game. All right. There'll be more where that come from, y'all. Oh my gosh. You know? I mean, I want to tell y'all, I ain't know my cousin Ricky have a YouTube channel, but he did film some crazy things. Didn't give him no views or whatever, you know. So, all right. I'm sorry, y'all. All right. So, all right. I'm enjoying my new television, y'all. Okay. Yep. I'm definitely enjoying my new television. Okay. I love this new TV, you know. At least I can watch Pluto TV with Alex Trebek version of Jeopardy, the Passe Jack version of Wheel of Fortune, you know. Hmm. Yeah, so anyway, y'all, I'm chilling in bed right now, going back and forth to bed, to the to the office and stuff like that. You know. Yeah, bro. Well, I'm not gonna upload the episodes. I mean, the gaming until tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. Okay. Oh, what the hell? All right. So, uh, I mean, I had a dream about Tanya last night, talking Instagram folks. Eventually on YouTube though, but the people on YouTube already know. Okay. All right. Oh, y'all missed this. Did that a slam dunk? Hmm. Well, y'all gonna see this. Okay. Y'all missed it. All I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry, y'all missed it though. Running my jaws. You know, that's what I was doing. Running my jaws. That's what that's what Florida said. So that's what Florida Evans said, running your jaws. Yeah, NBC, really CBS, but NBC. I don't know. I don't know why Good Times wasn't on NBC for real. Because like I say, Good Times belonged on NBC, not CBS. Mad About You, that was alright though. Well, I like the show. I'm talking about it. It could have been on CBS, but could have broadcast on CBS first and then switched to NBC. You know, I'm glad it wasn't on ABC. But with the Cosby Show, yep. But with the Cosby Show, I'm so glad ABC dropped the Cosby Show. Uh huh. I'm so glad, honestly, though, because the Cosby Show didn't belong on ABC, y'all. It belonged on NBC. NBC. It belonged on NBC. 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 Yep. Not CBS, not ABC, not Fox. The CW didn't exist then. The WB wasn't a channel yet, you know. So y'all gonna see this again, okay? Y'all missed some of them. That was a that. Well, I don't just call it a slam dunk. It's a slam dunk and slammer jammer. Slammer jammer and slam dunk. Slam dunk the funk. Oh, they almost tied it. It could have been a 3-pointer, but not necessarily a 3-pointer. Oh, you missed the slam dunk, but y'all gonna see the slam dunk eventually. Yeah, so I still want Kirsten K to make a song with Bone Thugs and Harmony. I want her to make a song with Angie Stone, uh, Kiki Wyatt, Avant, Carl Thomas. But I want Kiki Wyatt, Avant, and Carl Thomas on the same track with Kirsten K. It's gonna be Kirsten K's song though, but it is hopefully it's gonna be featuring Avant, Carl Thomas, and Kiki Wyatt. Now that would be the first song that Avant and Kiki Wyatt been on with Carl Thomas. They was in the picture together. Carl Thomas and Avant, because to me, Avant and Carl Thomas look alike to me. You know, I haven't heard of Carl Thomas until I heard of Avant. Oh, that almost happened. Still got the bucket. Came by a bucket at first. Got that from the announce on NBA Jam. I'm talking about the original NBA Jam. Okay, I got NBA Jam for PlayStation 2, Nintendo Wii. Yeah. Uh huh. So I'm gonna say the Cosby Show belong on NBC. Y'all watch this with me. There you go. All right. That's all for now. Okay. See y'all later.